Oh, okay, Sariyah, your outfit is so cute, girl. Which color are you gonna get on? You're gonna the green one. At least be careful. Be careful.
If you want to talk about this ice cream, I'm gonna slap it across your face. Give me the ice cream. No.
Oh.
I want ice cream.
Why are you not giving my ice cream, queen?
I'm not giving up damn ice to this. Okay.
Oh my god. Okay, well, where is y'all?
Oh my god, thank you. That is a pedophile. And I hate him so much. You're like Drake, a pedophile.
Oh, we don't say that. Absolutely not. Trust, honey, I'm not Nicki Minaj. Oh.
You don't even know what a pedophile is. You know with everything. She literally broke my PlayStation and you didn't do nothing about it. Because she a little girl, what you expect?
He fixed up your PlayStation though.
Exactly. I fixed the PlayStation, so are you still mad? I do everything for y'all. I would be ugly. Oh my God, Sariyah.
Where was she? Oh,
oh my God, y'all look at y'all sister.
Sariyah!
Okay, fine.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Go get my child. Why is she sitting up? Why was y'all not on there with her?
I'm sorry. I was busy. I was arguing with Dad.
Oh my God. Sariyah, please stay still, honey. Oh my God. Can you hurry up and get my baby right now?
She's coming down. Okay, let me get her.
Oh my God. Sariyah, oh yeah. It's time. And then the weather done got dark so quick.
Y'all are so wild. Okay, I'm gonna show your ass. I got some for you.
No, that was not fun. No, it was not.
No, I'm just kidding.
But anyways, it's starting to get foggy. I don't know where the fog came out of, but it's supposed to rain today.
But sorry, guys. I think it was. Let me check my phone. Boom. Okay, it's supposed to be raining like, well, a real bad thunderstorm or something. So real thunderstorm like an hour.
An hour?
Yeah, an hour.
Oh yeah. Come on, let's go. I don't do thunderstorms. Let's go. We should have enough food at the house too. Let me put this camera away. Okay, so do we need to stop by the store or can we like just head straight to the house?
Stop by the store.
Okay, let me go ahead. Y'all better hold on to y'all seatbelts because I'm finna be speeding. I'm not finna be driving these slow, okay? Oh, somebody want your ice cream.
My girlfriend Dave,
Ooh, swerving on this curve.
Oh, what was that? Is that Malachi's?
Okay, y'all come on. Y'all get each $30 budget and your dad is paying for it.
Babe, where you going? Okay,
oh.
Later, I'll call you later. Nothing.
Girl, that no girl wants you. Anyways, come on. Let me see. Let me use
oh, shut. This is Drip right here. Drip, you've been wearing the same outfit for the last 2 months. Talk about Drip. You for real, little boy. I have like 100 shirts. 100 shirts? Boy. But you only got like one. You wear that same shirt like the whole 2 months. Literally. No, I didn't. I wore that like 2 months ago. I just want to wear it again because it's my favorite shirt. Both kinds. Ugly. And every time I tell y'all to call these damn fake tattoos. Y'all keep on saying these fake. These are real. These are real. I'll show you a real tattoo since you want to play. Hold on. Okay, let me see that real tattoo. No. No. Mommy.
Now, why is y'all acting up in this store? Oh my God, oh my God. Now, why is he chasing after y'all? They ain't got no real tattoo. Y'all stop. Can y'all stop poking them in? We is in the store. Come on, y'all need to get your stuff.
Yeah, Dad. I'm gonna get some soda.
And you was a grown man showing out in this store. Better wait till you got to the house.
We need some water. Who you be thinking you be talking to? But, okay.
Here. Let's get some sweets. Because we need some of that. Yeah, we got some cupcake. Anyways, come on, King, so you pay for these groceries.
I need some more noodles.
You got other stuff in here. Y'all got some unhealthy stuff in here, too.
Ariana's new album.
Ariana
Grande? Yes. Oh.
Okay, let's put you in your seat. Put the stuff in the trunk.
Some had to just... Big what? I'm saying. I'm gonna get in the front.
Let's see.
Julio from inside the store.
Excuse you. Yeah, if I say I'm driving, thank you.
You can get in the back though. I'm gonna show you. Okay. You want me to brick one flood my bed again?
Zayden, get in the back.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Where's Mekhi at? Okay, there go Mekhi.
Show me with this bell. I'm your father. It ain't the other way around. Oh, that's what I thought. Stop. But you don't.
Let me stop swerving.
Oh yeah, Dad, how are babies laid? What you see, they come
from birds. Like you see the movie Stork, that's where y'all come from.
Mm-hmm. Y'all come from hell. Y'all got to see him from hell. Not too long. No, we get sent here from heaven. And I heard that parents get inappropriate stuff and then they make us and they get pregnant.
Really, I should have backward parked, but oh well, because it's been rain and I don't like the rain at all.
Oh, okay. I get it now.
Yeah. Leave the car outside because we need to get washed anyways. Put my purse down right here. Okay, well, okay, y'all. Okay, so we finna be in a real weather emergency. We need to make sure we don't go near no window that ain't got no blinds. We're gonna be somewhere safe. We're gonna be somewhere with food. If you need to go to the bathroom, use it on yourself because you are not getting out the room. Because a big thunderstorm finna be on the way. So we got to be safe.
All right, let me turn on some cupcake real quick. Who the hell is Cupcake? It's my new favorite artist too.
Oh my God, it is raining. Come on, hurry up. We gotta get in this room. We don't even know what room we're gonna be in.
Okay, let me fix some food first. Damn,
oh my God.
Your son is gay.
Oh.
Mekhi is gay. I don't know how to say it.
Child, leave Mekhi alone. If he's gay, he's gay. You already met the boyfriend.
I can't believe you support him, honestly. He is an ugly man.
Okay, here, you got your milk right here.
You really just say it? Oh, you really just gonna... I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry.
Oh! I know you. Oh, no. Absolutely not. Where's Sariyah? Oh, no, where are we going? Oh, my God. Oh, my God, okay, we're gonna go in the closet. Come on. Let's go over here. We ain't got no flashlights. Oh, my gosh. Okay, ooh. Be careful of the windows. We're gonna be hiding in here. In this closet where we're gonna be living in for a little bit.
I can't see.
Oh my God, I ain't got no flashlight. These lights done went out. Oh my God. But I got y'all some food. It's a little snacks or whatever. Sariyah, it's okay, girl. Don't cry. It's okay. This the only flashlight we got. It's an ugly little light and two. How you gonna be in this PlayStation? You can't even get nothing with the power.
Desiree, no, I'm gonna break your phone later.
No, we're not doing that.
You literally broke my TV and my PlayStation, and you're not doing anything to help it.
Oh my God. Okay. So, since we're like stuck in here, what y'all want to do? Y'all want to say like a little scary story? Want to play a little game?
Scary story. No. Scary story.
Oh yeah, never mind. No scary story. No scary story, y'all.
All right. What about Truth or Dare?
We can't do no scary story because Sariyah in here. We can't do no scary story.
What about Truth or Dare?
Yeah, we can play that. We can play that.
All right, Dad. Truth or Dare? Dare. Is it true you wear underwear? Did I say true?
What?
Boy. All right. Truth or Dare? I mean, true. All right. Is it true, like, that you, like... I didn't say true. You said they're not true. All right. I dare you to hit Mom.
Oh, I wish you would.
I can try it. If I try it, I'm going to get put out, so I'm not going to try it. All right.
Right. I don't even know why you even try that.
Hit Mekhi. Whoop him. This my first one. I can't do that. I can't do this. My first one. It's only one time. I can't do that. I'm sorry, son. I'm just sorry. I can't do that. All right. Mekhi and Truth or Dare? Dare. Is it true that you're cheating on your boyfriend? I said dare.
He said dare, boy.
Oh, okay. I dare you. Somebody else go.
Oh man. Okay. I got something for Sariyah. Okay, Sariyah, truth or dare? Dare. Okay. I dare you to hit your brother Zayden in the mouth.
Yeah.
Cause he need that mouth pop.
Hit him good. Oh, jeez.
Ooh.
Oh, Sariyah. Let me hit you.
Yeah, no, you're not hitting her. You're not hitting her. No.
Yeah, you do.
Absolutely not. Okay, Zayden, matter of fact, I got one for you, Zayden. Matter of fact, truth or dare? Truth? Okay. Yeah. Is it true that while you're still in school, that you've been cheating on your test? Be honest.
Maybe.
Oh, that game getting taken away.
No, I know.
Yeah, because why'd you cheating on your test? You only got, what, 2 more weeks of school left?
I'm sorry. I have to pass.
It's called studying. Matter of fact, since we're playing truth or dare, bet. Matter of fact, okay, Kingston, truth or dare?
True.
Truth? Okay. Let's see something juicy. Okay. Is it true that I'm the only woman that you're messing with?
I mean, it's true, but what do you guys mean by that?
But it's crazy.
What made you ask that? Like, you know you're the only woman I'm messing with. Oh, that cheating.
I bet you it's that girl from that restaurant that came in and started messing up our date too. Oh, your ass is grass. Best believe that.
What about you? Truth or dare to you?
Okay, and truth.
Is it true that you had another man in this house long ago?
Nope, it's not true.
No, that's not what they said.
Who is they?
It ain't just a question. Because you ever accuse me of cheating, and you ever try it's just a question. It ain't just a damn question. It's just a question.
I'm not cheating though like you. You talking about some butt. Hello?
Who is Jordan? It was literally a prank at the time.
Right. I even had the kids on it, so what?
You know what? I hate this. Y'all just...
Look at you. At least mine's with a prank, but you're not a prank, so I'm going through that phone. Yeah. In that car, say goodbye to it.
I told you that girl, she was lying. I don't got no kids by her. I don't know why you cousin thinking that I got that girl pregnant. I did it. That is not my child.
Right.
Yeah, right. I'm not lying. Yeah.
Y'all think he lying?
Yeah.
Y'all think he lying? Y'all got another sibling that y'all don't know?
Huh? What? I said, Zayden, they just slapped that upside the head. Boy, that got over.
Matter of fact, yeah, Zayden, go ahead. You can hit him. I'm giving y'all permission to hit him.
No.
Both of y'all can hit him, matter of fact. So let me go ahead and move out the way. Let me stand right here. Y'all both can hit him.
Okay, PlayStation. Want that PlayStation broke again? No.
You can't do that.
Keep playing with me. You what? I'm gonna get your boyfriend to keep playing with his Nigerian ass.
Oh.
Not too much on these quantities. I'm going back to Cooper. What? Okay, I ain't got time for this. Okay, Trooper there, Mekhi. Dare. Okay, I dare you to, okay, let me see this. I dare you to run outside and run back.
Now, in this thunderstorm, where he gonna get struck with the lightning?
You think I care I'm getting struck by lightning? Matter of fact, I'm in here, so yeah, I'm gonna do that.
Oh my God.
I'm coming. I can't see that there. Go this way. And stand out here. You stand out here too. Come in this house. We're gonna lock him out. Too fast. You must put our run track. Oh, we almost had her. Daddy, you're so mean. Shut the fuck up. Oh, that's the F word. No, I didn't.
What happened? Did you? You're so. But what happened?
That's the F word. Yeah, that's they lying.
Kingston.
They lying.
Sariyah, did Daddy say the F word?
Yeah. It's so nice to Sariyah.
See, look at that. She said yes.
Why you lie? She lied. They lie.
Sariyah don't lie. And you know that.
Sariyah, look, listen to me, Sariyah. If you tell your mama no, I'll buy you the new belt.
Matter of fact, let me see where your belt collection at. Matter of fact, let me see.
No. Don't touch my Gucci belt now.
Let me see. What about this one? You like this one?
No. Put it down.
Oh, this one's shiny. This one might hurt because it's shiny, right?
No.
Right, this one's shiny. Like, come feel it.
No, I'm good. Oh, no, stop.
Oh, you lucky you got Sariyah in your arms. You always use the Sariyah to protect you.
Never that. I ain't scared of you there. I'll put it there right now. We can go.
Go ahead and put this belt back.
Give him some of that Don Julio too. Gonna happen. I'm a Don Julio. Yeah, drink all that Don Julio. Yeah. Let's just go out. What the fuck?
Where the flashlight?
I don't know where I put my flashlight. Oh my god.
Ooh, Sariyah, okay, girl, don't. Ooh, it's too dark in here. Okay. You know what? This little weather thing is supposed to be been done. Why it's still going? You said it was going to be going for an hour.
See, I don't even know.
Oh, y'all, he lied again, y'all.
I'm not lying. I do not like I know. You know what? Since y'all think I lied so much, how about y'all leave? How about y'all leave the house then?
How about you leave the house?
Let this liar live alone then.
No. And if Mekhi gets sick, you're taking him to the doctor.
He didn't want to take off his shirt. I didn't take off his shirt.
You still told him to go outside in the rain.
Okay. I took it off because I was hoping my man was out there. I'm not clear about that.
Oh my goodness. You know what? I'm gonna take a little nap in this little closet. Oh shit, it's bright. What is that? The lights! The light is back on! Oh my god, the light is back on! Oh my goodness, I've never seen lights so bad. Won't he do it? Won't he do it? And I want to end the video off right here. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notification bell to get notified when a new video. And we are finally back and we'll be posting again. Expect like 3 videos dropping in 1 week. I know this is crazy. But anyways, matter of fact, not even we will see y'all next time. Bye.
Bye.